Hey friends, have you ever wanted to create amazing characters that look consistent, like they belong in a story or a comic? Today, I'll show you how to do it using Leonardo AI, a super cool tool that makes character creation a breeze. Let's dive in. Step 1. What is Leonardo AI? Alright, first, let's talk about Leonardo AI. It's an awesome platform where you can create stunning art using AI. The best part? It's beginner friendly. You can design characters, landscapes and more. And with a little practice, you can make them look like they were drawn by a pro. Today, we are focusing on creating consistent characters. Ones that look the same even if they're in different poses or scenes. Step 2. Set up your workspace. Start by logging into your Leonardo AI account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's free to get started. Once you're in, go to the character creation section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to upload references or start with templates. If you have an idea for your character, even just a sketch, upload it here. Step 3. Create a character template. To keep your character consistent, create a template. In Leonardo, this means defining features like hairstyle, face shape, outfits, and colors. For example, if your character is a superhero, lock in their costume and logo. Leonardo remembers these details, so every time you generate art, the character will look the same. Step 4. Use prompt magic. Here's the fun part. Use Leonardo's prompt magic tool to fine-tune your designs. Type in descriptions like young warrior with a red cape and brown boots. The AI will take that and generate awesome images of your character. Tweak and refine the results until you're happy. And that's how you create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. Try it out and let me know what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Catch you in the next one. Bye.